Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out something really interesting for anyone wanting to learn piano or needing a portable full-size keyboard. This is the Professional Electronic Keyboard Folding Piano, an 88-key instrument aimed at beginners, but with features anyone can appreciate. The most striking thing is that it folds. A full 88-key keyboard that folds in half. This is a game changer for portability. You get the complete range of a standard piano, but you can easily pack it up and take it anywhere. Practice at a friend's, take it to a lesson, or just move it around your home. This folding design makes it incredibly convenient. You really can improvise wherever inspiration strikes. How does it feel to play? The description highlights a 1:1 real piano feel, adjusted to grand piano standard. This is crucial for developing technique. It specifically mentions rejecting, even sound pressure sensing, meaning it's velocity sensitive. The harder you press, the louder the sound, just like a real acoustic piano. This dynamic response is essential for expressive playing and a big plus for a beginner instrument. Sound-wise, it offers two timbres. You can combine these for a richer sound or split the keyboard. Splitting lets you play different instrument sounds or timbres on the left and right side simultaneously, which is great for experimenting or teaching. Looking at the construction, the description mentions exquisite materials, fine workmanship, and smooth edges. This suggests attention to detail in how the keyboard is put together, important for durability and feel. It's also designed for use with a sustain pedal. While the pedal might be separate, compatibility is key. Using sustain adds depth and richness to your playing, allowing notes to ring out and connect smoothly, fundamental to piano music. So you get a full 88-key range, realistic touch response, versatile sound options, good build quality, and incredible portability thanks to the folding design. For a beginner instrument or a practice keyboard on the go, this professional electronic keyboard folding piano seems to pack a lot of value into a very convenient package. It seems designed to make learning and playing accessible anywhere.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.